Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating golden smoky eyes for the festival party night. So let's begin. First, I'm using Skin Therapy Brightening Moisturizing Cream all over my face. Then I'm using MORPHE Primer for the long-lasting my makeup. Then again I'm using Revolution Pore Primer. So guys, I have got very dry skin, so I'm using basic primer and Pore Primer. Then I'm using Makeup Academy Pro Peach color. So guys, you can see I haven't got too much black circle in my eyes, so only I'm going to apply where I need it, around the mouth and on the cheek and the forehead. Then I'm taking dry beauty blend, then I'm going to blend very smoothly, dapping way. Now I'm doing my eyebrow makeup. So guys, I'm using Pears soap for the eyebrow, and also I'm using Makeup Academy Pro Base Fixing Spray. Then I'm using eyebrow comb for the comb my eyebrow. Then I'm going to comb my eyebrow upward. Then I'm using round brush to mix soap and spray together. Then I'm going to apply this upward very gently and slowly, both sides, and let it dry at least 1 minute. Today I'm using 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil from Primark. This is very nice product. I really like this one. It's 3 products there. It's a gel there and pencils there. So guys, you can use whatever you like to use. So slowly I'm going to fill the gaps as well, and I made the strokes upward. So make sure you do upward because it's already stick the soap. So I'm using today MORPHE concealer. Then I'm taking a small brush and I'm going to clean my eyebrows. So concealer I'm using according to my skin tone. So guys, you can use your own skin tone. Then I'm using beauty blend and I'm gently pressing down to blend the all concealer. So I'm using same concealer upper my eyelid. Then I'm taking a small soft brush, then I'm going to blend all concealer. Then I'm using clear tape to create very sharp or foxy looking eyeshadow. So today I'm using 35G eyeshadow palette. This is bronze gold. First I'm using sandy, very light peach color. Then I'm going to apply to my eye crease. I'm using very small amount first, then I will be build up. Second, I'm going to apply Record Temps is brown color. Then I'm taking a small amount of products, then I'm going to apply outer corner of my eye. Then I'm creating V shape in the corner. Then I'm keep taking a small amount of products that build up. Third color, I'm taking race color. It's golden color. It's beautiful color. Then just I'm going to apply in the middle. So I'm using my finger. It's nicely stick up if you use the finger. It's totally optional. If you like to use brush, you can use. Fourth color, I'm using Soul, little bit golden color. Then I'm going to apply corner of my eyes. Now I finish my eye makeup, so I remove my sellotape. Then I'm using silk waterproof eyeliner pencil. Then I'm draw very thin wing eyeliner. Eyeliner, I'm using Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner. It is very nice. It is waterproof. Eye mascara, I'm using Max and Factor X False Lash Effect. So I'm not using any false eyelashes today. Foundation, I'm using today Morphe F340 Matte and Forever Living BB Cream. Now I'm mixing foundation and little bit BB cream to apply because you know guys, I have got dry skin. So I'm always use little bit BB cream. So guys, when I apply the foundation, I'm always use the damp beauty blender. Same concealer I'm using for the under my eyes. Then I'm applying under eyes, around the nose, around the mouth and forehead. Then I'm using Match Perfection Loose Powder around my eyes and the forehead. For contouring, I'm using Silk Face Foam Cream Contouring. This is very nice. I'm using from the ear till my cheekbone. Then I'm going to apply my forehead and top of my nose and around the chin. Then I'm using big floppy brush. Then I'm blended out upward. So guys, today I'm baking my under eyes with the baking powder. Same powder I'm using in jawline as well. Then I'm using same eyeshadow brush, then apply lighter shade under my eyes. Then I apply the dark brown shade under my eyes. For kajal, I am using Silk Waterproof Eye Pencil. Then I applied in the waterline. Now I am taking big clean brush. Then I am going to clean out all powder and extra products. For blush, again I am using Silk, very pink color. Look at the beautiful color. Highlighter, I am using liquid highlighter from Revlon. Then I just using my finger, then I'm apply upward. Look at it guys, it's beautiful glowing. Now is lips makeup. Lip liner, again I'm using from Silk, little bit brown and red color. So today I'm using liquid red gloss from Be Gifts. I bought from the Amazon, this one. Look at the guys, beautiful color. Again for the highlighter, I'm using same eyeshadow palette. Then I'm using glow on little bit golden shade. Then I apply eyebrow bone, top of my nose and top of my lips. So guys, I finished my full makeup. Now time for the change. So guys, this is the final look. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.